Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Victor Morgan and this is VMorgan Tech. I know you must have been hearing about Aptos lately. Aptos did something amazing for everybody in the ecosystem. That participated actively, yeah, by doing a simple airdrop. A simple task of claiming an NFT. Okay, we got eligible for 150 apt tokens. Some people got more. The smarter ones got way more too. And it's big ups to everybody that actually engaged and used the information at their disposal to make it good, okay, in this ecosystem. So guys, cheers. So in this video I want to talk about an airdrop, but then I'm just going to go over Aptos, and then I'm going to give you a background information of Aptos, not like a background information. Come on, I don't know all of it, but yeah, I'm just going to talk a little bit about Aptos. Not much. Introduce you to the Aptos Lab, the Aptos Foundation, and then I'm also going to show you how you can create a wallet on Aptos. Okay, I'm really trying to go simple here, guys, so that newbies in the ecosystem can actually come in through this route. Do you understand? A lot of people are just coming to the ecosystem, and it's very important for me to do this onboarding series. So I'm not just going to jump into the major tasks like I would do in my previous videos. Normally I usually explain these processes, but I'm going to always go right from creating a wallet down to every other aspect. Okay, do well to subscribe to this channel, give me a like, okay, and let's go. It's GG's from here on. Okay, it's up from here on. So let's go right in this app. Yeah, this is Aptos Foundation, Aptos Lab. You'll be hearing about Aptos, and it's a layer one blockchain. It's engineered to evolve. It's built with move to create a home where developers build future-proof apps efficiently and enjoyably. Blah blah blah. We just transitioned from the testnet to the mainnet, but yes, a lot of its protocols are still on the testnet. Okay, a lot of projects have been built on Aptos, and it's only wise for you to actually interact with these protocols. Look at this. You can test this platform on the Aptos testnet. Okay. Now, what do I mean by testnet and mainnet? Now, let's say, for example, I want to build a building, okay? But I need to let you know how it feels. I need to, like, for example, you are the client, okay? I need to show you, I've designed this building, but I want to know how you feel using it, okay? I want to know how you feel. Like, I want to know your perspective on the color, the shape of the building, the height of the building, the accessibility, what you want in the building, and all of that. Yes. Mainnet is when I've executed that project, and yes, I've given you your building for you to move into, and now you can use that building for anything. But testnet is me giving you a feel of what is you're going to expect when I have that building erected. Do you understand? So I'm just trying to draw a comparison between a testnet and a mainnet using building. All right. I'm a quantity surveyor, so so yeah, it's only right for me to go into construction for this. Okay. Now, so when you interact with testnet, you're actually testing. You're actually exposing yourself to what you expect to see in the main net. Okay, so when I give you a building model and I'm showing you, okay, this is the door, this is how you access the sitting room, this is how you access the room, this is how you access the library. This is me giving you a feel of what you are meant to expect. Okay, so that's like a test net. So this is a test net. When we do test nets on on the in crypto on the blockchain, it means we're trying to test the network and see how it feels. If there's going to be any review, we provide a review for a better development of the project. Blah blah blah. Brr, I've wasted a lot of time on this, but yeah, that's basically it. So, with testnet, you do not use any money. Okay, you do not use any money. It's free and all of that. Yeah, that's with testnet. It's free. Now, the money you use on testnet is called test faucets. Okay, testnet faucet, FAUCET. Okay, that's what you use to test the network because you always need funds to do anything on the blockchain. Okay, good. So it's actually free and it's worth nothing. So you can't actually sell these test tokens. Okay, fine. I'll go right into that later. So you're going to need to actually explore most of these protocols or projects on Aptos blockchain. Good. What you're going to need is you're going to need a wallet. Okay, you're going to need a wallet. There are different wallets on Aptos. You have the Martian wallet, and you also have the Petra wallet. There are also other wallets on the ecosystem that are built already and still being built. Do you understand? Yeah. So let's just go right into it. Martian and Petra. But in the course of this video, I'm just going to show you how to create a new wallet, a new Martian wallet. Okay, a wallet is where you store your funds. Okay, it's where you store your cryptocurrency, and it's where this is the asset. This is your wallet is your identity on the blockchain. Okay, it's what gives you a place on the blockchain. So you have to create a wallet. Fine. So right now on Martian Wallet, the link for you to get to this point is going to be in the video description. So do not worry, guys. I got you. All the links are going to be in the video description. First thing first, if you're a new user, come to create a new wallet. Tap on that, and then you're going to have to create a new wallet. So I'm just going to go. All right, fine. I've entered my password and I've confirmed the password again. I'm going to tick on this and then I'm going to tick on continue. Now I have in front of me a recovery phrase. I know you can't see that, okay, because I've blocked it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that out. I'm going to write it out on a journal, okay? A journal is a book or something, a hard copy, a paper or somewhere where you write down your seed phrase. And what is the seed phrase? Your seed phrase is your access or it's your padlock to your wallet, okay? It's what grants anybody or you access to your wallet. So you are not meant to reveal this seed phrase to anybody. It's a 12 seed word phrase there. You're not meant to reveal it to anybody. Just write it down in a journal or something and keep it safe. So I'm going to talk to you once I'm done writing this down. As soon as you're done writing this down, please confirm if it's actually 12 words you wrote, okay? And then you can continue and then you can set up notifications, trigger on the Martian, Aptos, Topaz, cool, yeah? And then you continue. Now, this last thing says that you can open your Martian wallet by tapping Shift Alt X, okay, for Windows or option Shift X for Mac users, okay. All you just need to do is to provide your password, okay, like I'm doing right now, and then your wallet is going to unlock. Right now, I'm inside the Aptos wallet. As you can see, it's a mainnet. It's showing mainnet over here. Um, so this is the mainnet. This is the main wallet, meaning that the funds on this particular wallet is actually real money. Okay. Now, if I tap on this, okay, I tapped on this, I'm going to see DevNet, TEstnet, and the other mainnet um, networks. Okay. So you can switch network. Okay. I'm going to switch to testnet over here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get test tokens because I initially talked about test tokens. That's faucet, okay, testnet faucet that you use to interact with the apps. Okay, so I'm going to tap on airdrop and it's going to redirect me to the Aptos page where I'm going to sign in. I'm going to sign in using Google. You can use Discord or GitHub or whatsoever you have. I'm going to choose my email address, okay, and then it's going to tell me to connect my wallet, and to that I'm going to connect Martian wallet. Okay, you can see there are other wallets on Aptos ecosystem. So I'm going to connect to Martian, and then I'm going to approve this transaction. All right, good guys. I'm going to approve this again, and then I'm going to activate faucet. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, first of all, I'm going to have to check I'm not a robot. I'm going to select all of them tractors. So I think all of them are selected already. So I'm going to verify that and I'm going to activate faucet. So boom, testnet tokens have been minted. You can actually do this over and over again to get as much testnet faucets that you need, okay? Because you really need this. If I go over again, you see it's already, I already have testnet faucets already. So here is how you access extensions, okay? Extensions are additional things you add to your browser. Okay. For example, this wallet I've added, all right. This wallet. Okay. Now, for you to get to this Martian, when you get to the Martian wallet website, actually, it's going to tell you to download it and it's going to redirect you to Chrome Store. Okay. There you are going to tap Add to Chrome, and then you're going to have to you see it download, you see something download, and then you're going to see that you're going to have it added to your wallet over here, okay, as you can see, to your extension over here. So if I tap on this, you can see Martian Aptos wallet. If I tap on that, it's going to open up, and as you can see, this is my testnet wallet, and now I have 20 apps. Okay, that's testnet wallet. Good. Now, to the business of the day, we are going to participate in an airdrop. Okay, airdrop. Retroactive airdrop competition started on Monday, which is the 17th of October, and it's going to run for 10 days. So that means it's going to stop on the 20th of October. So if you're seeing this video, you need to take action ASAP. Now, what it means by retroactive, what retroactive airdrop means is that you have to be active. You need to carry out activities for you to be really eligible for this airdrop, for you to earn the most from this airdrop. Okay. Now, Mojito Market is actually a betting platform. Okay, it's a decentralized betting platforms that allows you to place bets on real life events. Do you understand? Real life events. So here is basically the official guide for the airdrop. Okay, we are expecting award in December 2022. Um, so we are going to run this over time. All right. So I'll just go over it and tell you how it's done. Now, this website competitions.mojito.market is where we are going to be carrying out the airdrops. Do you understand? So the first thing we are going to do, as you can see, is showing no markets here, but then there are actually 8 markets that we are going to participate in. I'm going to quickly show you that as soon as this finish loading. But the first thing we are going to do, okay, see, fine, it's popped up already. Good, yeah. First thing we are going to do is we are going to connect our wallet. You know, you already had an wallet installed already, so you're going to go to Martian wallet, and then you're going to tap on approve, okay, because you're going to approve this transaction. You're saying yes, I'm interested in connecting to this wallet. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to read up these rules. I've read these rules already, but you can read up these rules. As you can see, you have a max budget of 10,000 MUSD. MUSD is the currency that is used on the market. Okay, like you have a country and its currency, you have the currency for a particular blockchain. Okay, or whatsoever protocol you are using. Fine. So I'm just going to go right in this up, and I'll tell you the rules as we proceed. Now, this is I'm going to use my Twitter handle, which is that's my handle, and then I'm going to actually check on all of these boxes, and then I'm going to join the competition. Now you have to make sure that you're already um you're following them already. Okay, you're following the Martian guys, I mean the Mijito guys. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down here, and I'm going to tap on the Twitter icon for me to go to their socials, and then I'm going to tap on follow. Okay, you have to be following them. All right. Yeah, so this is Mojito. Here's what I'm going to do. The first thing you're going to do, once you land on this page, you're going to have to claim airdrop. Okay, see airdrop MUSD. Okay, so if I tap on that, I'm going to get 10,000 MUSD. Okay, so I'm going to request for that, and you are going to have to request for this every day. I've told you this competition runs for 10 days, and this is actually the third day. But I guess you see this video on the fourth day or whatsoever day. but it's going to end on the 27th. So you just have to try your best to be the best. All right. So here is what it's going to be. Now we are going to be placing a lot of bets. Let me talk about how the rewards is going to be distributed. We are going to be placing a lot of bets. For example, let me place one bet right now. As you can see, you have the Mojito daily budget. I have $10,000 here, 10,000 MUSD, and budget use is zero. So right now I'm going to place a bet. It says that will Aptos be above or below initial float price in 2 days? So there's a small brief explanation about this. Uh, blah 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 blah. Result to above and all of that. Okay. So will this market will resolve to above if the close price of the 1 minute candle for Aptos to USDT is above the initial 1 minute close price 48 hours after initial listing on FTX. If the Aptos USDT pair is not available, we will take the Aptos USD price as a substitute pair. All right. So all of this is just explanation for what's going to happen, and then you can now place your bets. Now, first rule is that you should note the you should know that for every bet place you have to place a minimum of 500. As you can see, minimum bet 500 NUSD. Okay, so you can go something like 510 or 520 or 530, but note that the money available to you is 10,000, okay, and you have 8 bets to place in a day, so you have to be careful with it. Now, a lot of people are betting more that Aptos is going to close above uh, for above, okay. So we're going to have to. I'll just go with it, and then I'll go with bet, and then I'll place bet, okay, for 510 MUSD. Going to confirm that transaction on my wallet, and that is done. So as you can see, bet placed already. Now these are more bets. Okay, I'm going to come over here and place a bet too. Read up this information, and then you can also get information for what you are placing your bets on. And there's a website provided already, so it doesn't look like you are making empty guesses. So you can do your research and study. Okay, and for example, I've done my research and I go with 530 to bet 4. I can place the bet. Okay, place the bet for 530. I'll confirm that on the wallet too, and then that will be done. Okay. Now you can see I've placed 2 bets already. Now the budget used up so far is 1,040. Good. So what that means is that if I come over to the airdrop guide, it says that if after the end of the day, if at the end of the day, okay, at the end of the day, I get to come out with a person with the highest win, that's first position, I get to get 20,000 tokens as a reward. And all the way from the first to the top 500, they are going to get rewarded. It's just that the first person is going to get way more, and the 400 to 500 guys are going to get 50 of those tokens. 400,000 tokens or coins are going to be distributed that every day. Okay, so what you get at the end of this airdrop is based on your participation and how accurate you are in your predictions. So you don't want to snooze on these guys, okay? So you need to jump right in so you can gather enough before this airdrop, before the 27th, and you need to play games well, so you get to uh, could get good slots. So I hope with this you have a good start on the Aptos ecosystem. I hope you get rewarded for this. Um, I hope you get rewarded for this, yeah. And there is this one I want you guys to claim, the Martian wallet. Okay, so let me just go over the Martian wallet website. This is the Martian wallet.xyz. Okay, there is an NFT that you can claim over here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, not here. So I'm just going to go over to my group. We have a Telegram channel, I mean, yeah, a WhatsApp channel where we actually drop serious updates on testnets, on airdrops that you might want to participate in. So so do well to use the link in the description to join if you feel like you want to be in an ecosystem where information about airdrop is being shared. Do you understand? So um so it's going to be this. Let's copy this link and then let's go over to our browser and paste this link here. So this link is going to be in the description for you guys to claim this NFT too. As you can see, I'm just having this blank page. I'm going to connect to my Martian wallet, I'm going to approve it, and then I'm going to claim the Martian NFT. Okay, as you can see, Martian NFT is loading. So I'm going to have to approve that in my wallet. I'm going to pay a little bit of gas fee, but I already have the gas fee gotten from the airdrop section of the wallet. Okay, so that is claimed already. Let's see if it's claimed. It's still loading. Okay, but it's very important that you do this. Okay, I mean those that did this for Aptos actually got. Okay, you have to approve this again. So those that did this for Aptos were the ones that actually got the airdrop that we all just enjoyed. As you can see, NFT means successful. So do well to do this. I kind of left this at the end for you all to watch to the end, and for those that watch to the end are getting rewarded with this. So this is the NFT over here. It's just this um Martian wallet rotating and rotating. It's still loading over here, but it's meant to show up. Yeah, so this is generally how to go over testnet. As you can see, I didn't spend any money. It's all free stuff and all of that. Okay, it's all free stuff. So you can do well to always try this. Explore. I've also shown you a list of protocols for you to interact with. Do well to do your research and interact with all of them. Damn, this video is long already. So bye guys. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Bye. Cheers.